Hey everybody! In light of everything changing in China and everyone losing some mad hours as of next week, I thought it would be beneficial to do a new series on some other work from home gigs and some things that I do, like some side hustles to make some extra money. So today we're going to talk about UpCrowdMe. This is a new one. These are going to be super fast videos, maybe 5 minutes if that. I'm going to show you a little clip of what they are, explain it. I'm totally real about everything and what's going on. So I literally just signed up for UpCrowdMe yesterday, and basically what this is it's a donation thing through PayPal. And you make a $5 donation. You can up your donation through the process if you decide to up it to 20 or 100 or whatever. And then what happens is every person who signs up under you, you get their donation, right? So it's every third person, I believe. You get the second person, then the person above you gets the next. It's essentially like this pyramid scheme, but it's with donations, and there's nothing else that goes into it, so it's super easy peasy. It goes straight into your PayPal immediately, and then you can cash it out whenever you want. So like I said, I just signed up yesterday. I haven't actually shared my link with anyone yet. You guys will be the first, so I will post that below. Use my link, of course, so I can get your $5 and then, have people sign up under you. But what happens is you just get the money. So what they want you to do is essentially share it on Facebook. They do have this social media software, but I know a few people who have done it and they did not download the software. They're just doing it without that. You can share on Facebook groups. You can share wherever. You just want people to use your link. Then they basically pay through PayPal or through Cash App or through Bitcoin or whatever mode of payment you want to use. And then that's it. Oh, I'm on Cambly right now and I'm getting a call, so to be continued. Okay, sorry about that. I'm done with Cambly now. So anyway, UpCrowdMe. My opinion, I think, why not take a chance with $5? That could turn into a lot more. I've already spoken with 3 or 4 other VIP kid teachers who are doing it, and a couple other people that I met online that are doing it, that are actually rolling in a significant amount of money doing it. I honestly don't think it'll be a long-term plan, but like any pyramid scheme, if you get in at the beginning, you're going to be the one making the money, and this thing literally just started a month ago. So, yeah, donate $5, have other people donate to you, then eventually you can up your game if you want to, but I figured, worst case scenario, I lose $5. I'll keep you updated on how it's going, but worth a shot, I figure. Pretty easy. There's nothing to it. So I will put my link below. Make sure you use that to sign up, and then all you do is it gives you instructions to do it. You just punch in, you can use PayPal, you can use Cash App, or you can use Bitcoin. I don't have a Bitcoin, but you can use whatever you have. And then you can just donate the $5 that way, and then you have a portal, and then once people use, like if you guys use my link today, it'll show up on, I guess I get every first one, every third one, or second and fourth, however that works, and the person that I signed up under, she'll get the other ones until you get a certain number of these donations, and then after that you get all of them. And then you're still continuing to bring in from those below you. Money comes instantly to your Cash App or to your PayPal, and so that's pretty cool. One girl told me she woke up one day and she had like $40 in her account just from people donating, from her putting her link out there. She did nothing for that. So it's free money. So now get in. Well, the get in is good because it is brand spanking new. Again, UpCrowdMe, my link's in the description box. Use my link. Do it now. You want to get in while it's new, and I will keep you updated on how it's going. So that is video number 1 in this side hustle series, and stay tuned. Every couple days I'm going to release another one. I've got 4 or 5 of these things that I'm doing, and so I'm just going to share them with you so that you can pick and choose things that work for you, so hopefully you can roll in a little extra dough too, since our hours have been cut. Alright, thanks everybody for watching. If you're interested in teaching online, as always, the information is also in the description box, and I would be more than willing to help you, so feel free to reach out to me. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.